What's up, YouTubes? I don't do these often, as you can tell by my feed timeline videos, but this is a different occasion. I may begin to post more about my experiences with the Ricoh GR series point and shoot cameras. I'm very fond of these cameras, love these cameras, and today is a fun day, being that I'm going to add a new one to the system and collection. So as you can see here, I have one of the Ricoh GRs. This one was highly touted for the image processing, as far as the old school photo image processing options and features. So that's what I've been using this one for. I got that one after I got my GR3. And I want to show some pictures that I've taken with the GR3, even in a makeshift studio setting. I know it's not recommended for studio shooting, but because of its convenience, I chose it to shoot in a studio one time over the XT4, just for convenience sake. And I love the pictures I got with it, so I'll share those pictures maybe on a subsequent video. But today, the unboxing of the GR3 just came today, Friday, from Japan. And I've watched so many hundreds of YouTube camera videos, photo videos. I said, hey, good as time as any to jump in the fray. Probably won't do it often, but for the GR3X today, I will. And I'm looking very forward to getting the 70mm equivalent telephoto accessory and adapter. Looking very forward. And I travel with one of my GRs very often. Perfect for travel. I use the adapters on them so that I can put different filters on. Polarizing if I'm doing things near water or windows. I'm not going to show the serial number, obviously. It's a tricky world we live in. And I want to be the first one to, and the only one at this time to register it, obviously. All right. Here we are, here we are, here we are. Wrist strap in the box. I almost got alarmed, but I remember that hearing there might not be a charging block, but I feel something under here. Ah, all right. There it is. What is this? USB-C. Don't need to open another one of those. And I may use this one. All right. wrist strap I don't think I'll need right now. And the good part. First look. At my new GR3. And looks basically the same. There it is, GR3X. All right, no green. The top of this one on the menu selection. Nor does that for the macro, but the auto. That's what I was thinking. For the auto mode, and you don't see it on this one. Nor on the 3. But dials look the same. In case you're wondering, I have a cover on this. It's a black camo, and really like it. I'm gonna try to put the same protective film on the GR3X, and they look virtually identical, as you and I have been hearing. All right, I'll spare you the rest, and perhaps I will post a video of some previous pictures I've taken and some comparison pics with the 3X. So if you guys pre-ordered or ordered, you should be looking for them any day. Mine just got here today. FedEx from Japan.